Hello, second grade. So today we are going to be talking about partitioning or cutting up shapes into halves, thirds, and fourths. But before we learn about that, we're going to have to review what a polygon is and all the different types of polygons. So a polygon is a 2D shape. That means it's flat. It's also a closed shape. It has straight sides and it has more than two sides. Now remember, circles and 3D shapes are not polygons. Circles are rounded and 3D shapes are not flat. Now the four types of polygons that we are going to be talking about today are a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, and hexagon. So first, let's talk about a triangle. Now, a triangle has the following attributes. Now, attributes are just characteristics. And a triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners, and 3 angles. Now, the biggest thing I just want you to get out of this is that triangles can look very, very different. So if you look at this triangle looks very different than this triangle, but are they both triangles? Absolutely, they're both triangles because they share the same attributes or characteristics. They both have 3 sides, 3 corners, and 3 angles. The next polygon I would like to talk about is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has the following attributes or characteristics. They have 4 sides, 4 corners, and 4 angles. And I would like to review trapezoid, parallelogram, and rhombus. And I would just like to review the fact that these 3 examples, trapezoid, parallelogram, and rhombus, they're all quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides, 4 corners, and 4 angles. And of course, rectangles and squares are part of that quadrilateral family as well. The next polygon that I would like to talk about is a pentagon. A pentagon has the following attributes or characteristics. They have 5 sides, 5 corners, and 5 angles. And a few weeks ago, Miss Parker talked about regular pentagons and irregular pentagons, and she said that even though they look very, very different, they are both pentagons because they have 5 sides, 5 corners, and 5 angles. And the last polygon I would like to review is a hexagon. We have a regular hexagon and an irregular hexagon, but guess what? They're all hexagons because they share the same attributes or characteristics of 6 sides, 6 corners, and 6 angles. I hope this helps, and go to the next video for our main lesson.